Can you tell me a little bit about WEVD? What do you remember?
Every Sunday morning over WEVD. And she would listen, and I would hear the stories, you know. I would hear, in fact, I don't know if it was the same store, but the advertisement, there was Yiddish advertisement, and one of them was for Barney's. Now, Barney's is a high-end store, but I don't know if it's the same Barney's, but in Yiddish they would say, you know, bring rein dein Kind for his bar mitzvah, we give him a suit, you know, and I would listen, you know, some of it you just didn't pay attention to, but it was on all the time, every Sunday morning. I don't think it was on during the week, but she would make it her business to listen. And I would listen, but I would crack up from, you know, from that, from the song, I knew it was on, and then from the ad for Barney's. And someday I've got to find out if that's where Barney's originated. I think it was the Lower East Side,